My question is very simply this. And Sanjay Jha, I'm coming to you. Rahul, I'll come to you, but let him. India wants peace. Yeah. India wants development. When you came to power, you said, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. You said, नौकरियां मिलेंगी, दाम कम होंगे, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. आपने तो ये नहीं कहा था कि अच्छे दिन ऐसे होंगे कि एक मंदिर में एक लाउडस्पीकर बजा कि नहीं बजा, उसको लेके बड़े भीषण तौर से आप कोशिश करेंगे कि कम्युनल एटमॉस्फेयर बढ़ा जाए. इन अदर वर्ड्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, I am asking you once again that why are you so hell-bent on one loudspeaker in a temple, that also in a predominantly Muslim area of Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh? You see, Naya Gaon has a population of 10 to 15,000, 70% Muslim population. Dalits represent the Hindu community. There is no upper caste presence. When the district magistrate approved the removal of a loudspeaker on June 26th, you were there leading to the clashes with the police. The district magistrate approved the removal of a loudspeaker and said there is no long-lasting tradition of a temple having a loudspeaker. On June 28th, you came back. You called for a Mahapanchayat on July 4th. Just a few days after the month of Ramzan started. Now look what you're doing. I will totally come into details. On July 3rd, you made an offer the loudspeaker could be installed after Eid, yet you chose to escalate the situation with your protest. You continued with your Mahapanchayat. On July 4th, Sudhanshu Trivedi है, लोगों को पता होना चाहिए आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं ग्राउंड पे. You decided to violate section 144. ने बोलने दीजिए प्लीज, सच्चाई बोलने दीजिए. Section 144 you broke, and then you sent the face of the Muzaffarnagar riots, a man called Sangeet Som, to lead your protest in this whole case. 4 days before Eid, you have a sudden pang to get this loudspeaker reinstalled, and your bigwigs from Delhi and eastern Uttar Pradesh will congregate from one side, and your VHP leaders will congregate from the other side. What you are doing is a blatant and open attempt कि किसी तरह से somehow उसको communalize कर दीजिए और फिर बोलिए कि नहीं हम तो सिर्फ नहीं somehow you communalize it. No, communalize it. No, you communalize it. No, please let me speak. No, you let me speak. What I fail to understand is why you are doing this. You are waiting for the brink of Eid for your protest against the alleged manhandling you faced with the SSP when the incident happened more than 20 days ago. You are trying to create a situation, you are trying to spark trouble, and I am asking you today, ये कैसे अच्छे दिन हैं in which you create communal trouble? Bhai, this country needs jobs. People need hope, jobs, economy, security, peace, shanti. लोगों को दंगा फसाद नहीं चाहिए. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, ये पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ दीजिए, राजनीति वाला. संजय झा कुछ कहना चाहते हैं आपको? संजय झा आफ्टर दैट यू कैन कम. संजय झा दंगा कराना चाहते हैं. संजय झा, आप ये ईद से पहले दंगा कराना. नहीं, एक मिनट संजय झा, एक मिनट संजय झा.
Sudhanshu ji, you should be aware. Sudhanshu ji, you are playing a very dangerous and diabolical game of politics today for your own political polarization benefits. I think it's something that can boomerang on the country, and every ordinary citizen of India might end up paying a huge price for it. You know, Arnab, I'm glad you mentioned about Mr. Dinanath Batra's book, because that book has been made as a compulsory reading by the Gujarat government, which is BJP run, and it has distortions. I mean, it has an expansionist role for India. It talks about making the Pakistan Independence Day part of Indian holiday list is provocative. And if Mr. Modi is going to invite Nawaz Sharif at one end, and on the other hand, you'll have many elements of the Sangh Parivar influencing susceptible and young children. I mean, that is what is the biggest fear that we have. You know, Arnav, we have discussed these debates long before the elections, but to expect the worst apprehensions to come true when we are not even a few days shy of 2 months of this government,
why are you doing this?
Is causing alarm. I think it's justifiable. End of day, young children are impressionable. They'll get influenced by all this kind of extremely distorted history. And it is amusing for me when Mr. Trivedi, with due respect to him, he's close to Mr. Rajnath Singh, so I assume he's a very responsible man, when he makes a mockery of talking about the Congress's role in the freedom struggle. I mean, Mr. Trivedi, I've noticed...
No, we are not discussing the freedom struggle.
Do you know what role RSS played? The only role you had was that you killed Mahatma Gandhi by creating a vitiated atmosphere that led to his assassination.
No, I'm not...
I mean, absolutely contemptible that you talk about the freedom struggle.
No, I'm not. I'm discussing the present.
It should be sacrosanct,
No, I
and
don't-
it should be
no,
taboo
no, no,
for
one
the
sec,
BJP and the
one-
RSS
one-
to
you see-
speak on it.
no, one-
And let me tell you, Arnab,
Sanjay.
there is no blurred line between the BJP and RSS anymore. The RSS is having a stranglehold. Is long live the RSS.
You-
the BJP
you
is
see,
dead. Long live the RSS.
my
That is
que-
exactly the mantra
what-
that can be seen being played out all over the country.
Just 1 minute. Sudhanshu Trivedi has a right to respond, but I think Sudhanshu Trivedi is beginning to understand the
Sure,
mistakes the
sure.
BJP is making. Because who are you sending
Arnab,
there?
Arnab, one question. Only one point, one line. Arnab, one line.
Ji.
No, Arnab, one line. They say Congress Mukt Bharat. Now BJP is in power. I want a Danga Mukt Bharat from BJP. Will they agree? Will they agree? They said the Congress Mukt Bharat. I say a Danga Mukt Bharat.
Why aren't you stopping your leaders?
सबसे कम दंगे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राज्यों में हुए हैं।
तो आप मुझे बताइए
भाजपा की जहां लंबे समय तक सरकार है, कहीं
और
दंगे नहीं हुए।
VHP के लीडर्स जो
मगर सबसे बड़े दंगे
देश
भी
में-
भारतीय जनता
लेकिन
पार्टी
आप-
शासित राज्य में
लेकिन-
हुए हैं।
लेकिन
ये बात से आप इनकार नहीं कर सकते।
लेकिन आप उत्तर प्रदेश में सुनियोजित तरीके से दंगे करवाना चाहते हैं और बिहार में
Please don't twist
आप उत्तर
facts.
प्रदेश और बिहार में सुनियोजित दंगे कराना चाहते हैं।
एंड मिस्टर त्रिवेदी do you know-
मतलब सत्ता में तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी, विपक्ष में तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी, और विपक्ष में नहीं तो भी हमारी जिम्मेदारी।
आपसे बड़े-
मान्यवर आपकी सरकार है, उत्तर
भाई,
प्रदेश में क्यों नहीं
जिम्मेदारी तो-
कार्रवाई करती है? उसके द्वारा जो स्टैंड हमारे
अरे,
नेताओं के
जी,
खिलाफ लिए जाते हैं,
हम-
कोर्ट में
हम-
सब
हम-
धराशायी हो जाते हैं। क्यों?
न हम
Because this is a sheer
हम तो
politics
इस
which
बात
you are
की
doing.
चुनौती
Why
नहीं
are
दे
you
रहे।
escalating
If you are
this?
trying to
हम
give
इस
the
बात का
compensation on the
ठेका नहीं ले
basis
रहे
of
कि
religion,
हम राष्ट्र
Uttar
भक्त
Pradesh
हैं।
government,
आप
then you
तो
are saying that you will
राष्ट्र
have
भक्त हैं।
justice
आप तो
and a
राष्ट्र
communal
भक्त हैं,
harmony in the
आपकी
country.
जिम्मेदारी ज्यादा है।
You are trying to withdraw the cases of those who are accused of planting bombs in the courts of UP, and you are saying that you will bring a communal harmony. This is a blatant communal politics.
Don't plan communal plans.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, let me tell you who is the main
point.
defender of tomorrow's protest. He comes from a man who has painted your march as some kind of beacon of hope which will save Indian democracy from what he calls a dictatorship. The biggest irony is this man is Sangeet Som. Sangeet Som was present at the Mahapanchayat on September 7th at Nangla Mandor near Muzaffarnagar following the death of 3 people resulting out of an incident of alleged deep-freezing. He has been accused of making inflammatory speeches. He is booked under several sections. He is out on bail now. Right? In the run-up to the riots, he was accused of circulating a fake video of a
he's a
man being
member in
lynched.
Mr.
He has
Modi's
threatened policemen
And Arnab,
openly
he's a
on
member
video
in Mr. Modi's
on June
cabinet
9th.
at that point.
On June 9th, this man who you are letting loose in Moradabad, you are letting him loose in Moradabad. This man is on TV now. He says, I will create a ruckus that nobody will be able to handle. ऐसे लोगों को आपने छोड़ दिया. You have given them a complete free rein. Do what you want. I'm asking you today, Mr. Trivedi, please tell me. Please don't denigrate Hinduism. Don't denigrate
Sangeet Som is
No,
today
don't denigrate Hinduism.
साध्वी रितंबरा of Uttar Pradesh.
Don't use religion like this.
This
Mr.
is not
Trivedi,
Sangeet Som.
Mr.
It is a
Trivedi,
new brand of Sadhvi
my question
Pitambara.
to you is, can you take a guarantee today on the news hour that there will be no communal trouble because of what the VHP and BJP are doing in Moradabad? आप मुझे guarantee देके कह सकते हैं कि आप जो कर रहे हैं उसका कोई ऐसा नतीजा नहीं होगा. और अगर हुआ,
Very peculiar logic.
why peculiar? You
A
are
very
creating the
peculiar
trouble.
logic. The guarantee of the law and
Can you
order
give
is
the
subject
guarantee-
with the government or with the opposition.
But who's creating the trouble? You are
In
creating
Delhi,
the
you
trouble.
will
and
ask
then
the
say-
government, our government,
No, no,
that we should
you-
ensure.
you-
In Uttar Pradesh, you are again asking us to ensure.
Mr. Trivedi.
This is the dialectic bias
No, no,
logic
only-
which is being
only-
consistently
Mr.
given against the
Trivedi,
BJP.
Mr.
No, no.
Mr. Trivedi, your logic is
Only
like
Union
this.
Home Minister
No,
will
your
write the
logic is
letter.
like this. Your logic is like very interesting logic. Your logic is like
only
this.
Union
No,
Home
your
Minister
logic
will
is
write
like
the
this.
letters.
A person
The
takes a
states.
revolver,
He will not
tries
take
to
the
murder someone,
responsibility.
has an attempt to murder. The police catches him and the police says, how can you try to murder someone? And that person says, but it is the job of the police to stop me from murdering someone. So a murderer should be let off. And people who attempt to murder
Which
should be
I am
let
not
off.
saying.
That is exactly your argument.
This
It's a
Samajwadi
silly
Party
argument.
government of Uttar Pradesh has booked Sangeet Som under National
Rahul
Security
Gandhi.
Act, and they which were failed to prove in the court.
Sir, a person has openly said,
So,
I will create
where is the
trouble
BJP
that nobody will handle.
responsible? Your government has tried its level best to deliberately book the BJP
But you are
leaders
letting
and
these-
consistently
you
you
are
are
letting
unable
these
to
gundas on the
prove
road.
on the court of law.
You are
It
letting
means
these
this was a
gundas-
politically
But
motivated,
you
which
are
has
letting
been
these gundas
proved
on
in
the road.
existing
You are
operation of a
encouraging him. You are-
reputed TV channel and which was there in the observation of the Supreme Court.
Sir,
So we
you-
have discussed enough on Muzaffarnagar riots.
Sir, why are you
Now
embarrassed
come to the
about
basic
talking-
subject.
Why don't you want
With
to talk
Sanjay
about...
Jha said, now
Why don't
come
you
to the
want to
basic
talk
subject.
about Moradabad?
Sanjay
You know
Jha
why
has
you
said
don't want to
about
talk about
freedom
Moradabad?
struggle, concept of India.
Sir, you don't... Concept of India, you want to tell me the concept of India. Now, let me tell you the concept of India that the RSS
Yes,
believes in.
Mahatma Gandhi has
No, no,
referred
yeah,
Mahatma
mujhe-
Gandhi. We are having utmost respect for Mahatma
no,
Gandhi.
no,
But
no.
what India and Indianness, I would like to say,
So-
from where Congress has come from
so,
Mahatma Gandhi to last 60 years.
Mr. Sudhanshu
Mahatma
Trivedi.
Gandhi's political vision was what?
Mr. Trivedi,
No, let me
Mr.
complete the
Trivedi, don't
sentence.
try to change the
Because
subject
you
because
take
you
me
don't
out
want to
of
take
context,
questions on
then you don't
Moradabad.
allow me to complete
No,
the
you are
sentence.
not. You are not.
Then
You are
the
trying to
things,
change the subject. You are
it
trying to
looks
change the
as if
subject.
going out of the way.
Mr. Trivedi, when I asked you 7 or 8 questions
Yes,
on
I'm
Moradabad,
staying the subject.
I am
I'm
asking you.
staying
I
the
asked
subject
you.
of
I asked
Hindutva.
you today.
I'm
You take
staying
a
on the
no.
subject
You
of
take
Hindutva.
you take a guarantee. You take a guarantee that what you are doing will not create trouble. Take a guarantee. And say that I will go to jail if that guarantee is broken. Take a
When you
guarantee.
have gone to the details of that Mandir incidents, then I can say something.
No,
That locality is dominated by Dalits. And they were having the temple.
Sir, do you,
and
sir,
on
why are
that- on the
BJP,
top of
why
the
are your
temple there
senior
was a
leaders
loudspeaker.
going and
This
creating
could
more
have
trouble?
been easily
अरे भाई
sorted
पुलिस
out
को
with the
हैंडल
two
करने
communities and
दीजिए.
both the communities were agreeing
But
to it.
पुलिस को
But
handle
it was
करने
the government
दीजिए.
which was deliberately
Who are
bent
you?
upon a
Let the
pulling down
police
the
handle it.
loudspeaker.
Let the police
एक
handle
मिनट
it.
बात सुन लीजिए.
Let
उस
the
समय
police
दोनों
handle it.
communities में
You're
बात हो गई
creating
थी
trouble,
कि
Mr.
लाउड स्पीकर
Trivedi.
नहीं चलाया जाएगा.
आप ये loudspeaker को आप क्यों कर रहे हैं?
समझौते के द्वारा हो सकती थी.
Mr.
यहाँ तक हुआ कि उसका तार भी काट
Trivedi,
दिया
you know,
जाए.
you
उस पे
think-
एम्पलीफायर भी
you-
निकाल
you
दिया
will-
जाए.
you will
But
lose
it
the
was the
respect of
state
people.
government and administration
Mr.
which was
Trivedi.
bent upon creating a
Don't
trouble
do this.
which
You are
was
doing a-
eminent from
You're
the
making a
statement of
mistake.
SSP of that district who was saying their political statement. Anytime SSP says a political statement.
I want to...
अबे SSP political statement दे रहा है. स्टिंग ऑपरेशन में सरकार की बात आ रही है. ऑब्जर्वेशन में सुप्रीम कोर्ट कह रहा है और दोष भाजपा का है. भाई बड़ा बढ़िया तर्क आपने दिया है.
On the Shiv Sena incident.
My question is simple. Now we are talking about Indianness. And
सुधांशु जी, ये बहुत ही मुझे बिल्कुल इसमें आश्चर्य हो रहा है. ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है, शर्मनाक बात है कि अभी भी आप ऐसे बोल रहे हैं जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. अब यहाँ पर आप लोग ऐसा एक माहौल बना दिए हैं कि इसमें क्या यदि भविष्य में जाके कोई भयंकर कांड हो गया तो आपकी जिम्मेदारी होगी. और आपके जो भी राजनीतिक लक्ष्य हो, कम से कम भारत के समाज को तो मत तोड़िए. I think you got to realize that you are today in government. You have won this election and we congratulate you for it. But I can tell you, young India has not voted for a BJP that will divide India. You have to deliver on growth and governance. Please go ahead and do it all the best.
Now,
What we are hearing from your leaders is disconcerting, is worrying for all Indians, not just liberals. I think it's worrying every Indian across the length and breadth of India, sir. I'm sorry, but you have to today display a modicum of reasonableness that you're not doing.
बोमई का केस मालूम है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला मालूम है. आप उत्तर प्रदेश में दंगे करा के उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार गिरा के आप अपनी सरकार नहीं बना सकते. एसआर बोमई का मुकदमा का डायरेक्शन है मुकदमे में सुप्रीम कोर्ट का. आप सिर्फ दंगा करा करके देश की एकता तोड़ सकते हैं. आप उत्तर प्रदेश में सरकार नहीं बना सकते.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, there is still time. So, Sudhanshu Trivedi, pull back the politics of Moradabad. Pull back, take back the politics of Moradabad. Don't antagonize the different populations. You have no business creating trouble, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Now, I want to tell you about this whole business of Indianness.
We are
My question to
not
Rahul
at all
Ishwar.
interested. We are a responsible political party.
Yeah,
Never
but-
created any trouble.
Really?
It was the trouble. I am
You know,
again
Arnav,
saying
the reason
sting
is
operation has
absolutely
proved. The
the
Supreme
poor
Court
people of
observance has
India who
proved.
suffer in
And all
communal
the things are
violence.
proving that it is the. And since last 2.5 years, why this not
question
question?
is-
You are aware
The
what
BJP was
happened
not
in
in
the
power.
Muslim
dominated area.
People died
Since
of
Samajwadi
COVID,
Party
lack of
logic is-
medicines.
Let me
Gentlemen,
complete the
gentlemen, now I'm
subject.
getting,
Whenever
I'm
Samajwadi
getting
Party
Rahul,
government
I'm
comes
getting
in
Rahul
Uttar
Ishwar,
Pradesh, the communal
the two
violence-
Rahuls on the debate. Let's have them on two sides of
and
the
the
street.
communal situation goes to the lowest step.
As a person who
And
is
in the
viewing this
history of
from the
Uttar
south
Pradesh,
of
there
India,
are three
I'm
incidences.
surprised.
When the
Can't
army
a
was
Hindu
called because of
temple
the
have
communal
something
riot,
like a loudspeaker in a
one was in
Muslim-dominated
November
area?
1990,
I'm living
other
near a
was
mosque.
September 94,
I find it very
other
happy
was
to hear
October
the
2013.
music and
All
speech
the time
from the mosque.
Samajwadi Party
There is
was
no
in
issue.
power. It was
Why
not
can't a
BJP.
Hindu temple
I
not
totally
have a
object to your
loudspeaker
thing.
in a
that you are
Muslim dominated area. What is such a big hue and cry about this?
What the media
Is there no
what the
freedom of
Supreme Court
religion
has
in this
said
nation?
and what the history
Is
has
there
said.
no freedom of practice of faith in this nation?
Mr.
I live near a mosque. I listen to a mosque every day in the morning,
Yes.
and I'm happy about it.
Yes.
Can't a temple simply have a loudspeaker?
Yes,
What
you
is the
can.
huge hue and cry about
Yes,
it?
you can. Yes, you can. But problem is that
No,
Rahul,
can't.
1 minute. Just Rahul, 1 minute.
Rahul,
Let me
you have logic to argue, but
let
that
me
should not
respond to
be
Freedom
Rahul.
of one religion
No,
is
let me
conflicting with other religion.
let me respond to Rahul 1
Then
minute.
freedom of
Let
religion
me
is one
respond to
parameter.
Rahul. Let me respond to Rahul.
Other religion is different parameter.
Let me respond to Rahul Ishwar, please. There is something. Just let me respond to Rahul Ishwar, gentlemen. Rahul Ishwar says, is there no freedom of religion in this country? Can't you put a loudspeaker? Absolutely you can. Absolutely you can. But the district magistrate approved the removal of the loudspeaker. You know what he said? He said there is no tradition of a temple having a loudspeaker in this area. And then the entire BJP comes in and makes this into a very big issue. So what is happening, Rahul, is that the BJP is looking for ways. You know, if in this country, remember this, Rahul, if in India you try and look for ways to create trouble between religions, no, you will find a million ways. If you look for ways to bring people together, you will find a million ways. Now you can choose, Rahul. You know, you can choose. People, it is so easy to create religious trouble, and that's where you should stand and say, as a young Indian, I don't like it. Now, last week, what was
That's absolutely
Now, my question is today, I also believe that we are living in 2014. In 2014, my question to Rahul Ishwar, and I want Rahul Narvekar to come into this part of the debate. The RSS book approved by the BJP, which is part of the curriculum supplementary literature in Gujarat, okay? It will be now supplied to 42,000 primary and secondary government schools across the state of Gujarat. Page 49 of a book called Tejo Mein Bharat Shining India says, students, how will you draw a map of India? Do you know that Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Burma are part of undivided India? These are all part of Akhanda Bharat. Undivided India is the truth, divided India is a lie. In other words, the map of India will have to be redrawn. Now, if this was being studied in some RSS Shakha, okay, fine, it's your personal business, right? What has happened now, Mr. Rahul Ishwar? This has become part of a total curriculum, right? And this curriculum also says, by the way, this curriculum also says, stop blowing candles on your birthday, it is Western culture. Please tell me, what is, you know, where are you going to draw the line? Today, Sudhanshu Trivedi will not have the courage to say Akhand Bharat is rubbish. Can Sudhanshu Trivedi say on television that Akhand Bharat map is rubbish because the map of India is the map of India we all know? But
I believe
the map of India that the RSS believes in is the wrong map of India. You want to teach wrong thing to students?
No, this...
You want to do... Why are you doing it again?
Can I respond?
No, why are you doing it now? Can you say today this whole Akhand Bharat logic should not go into
cultural nationalism? Where the nation represented by a culture and set of values.
I think this deserves a response.
Not by the geographical entity.
Arnab, Bodli Manohar
what are you
Joshi
saying
tried
here?
to do that in the earlier
You know, you think
NDA
RSS will redraw the map of India for school
Yeah,
textbooks?
Arnab, you must allow me to respond.
Superstition.
This is not fair that you are putting such a blemish allegations and not allowing to respond.
Arnab,
Sir,
Arnab, let me tell you, RSS has got its own brand of schools called Vidya Bharati. They are going to implant the same syllabus in different schools in India. And I think that is going to be a tragedy of epic proportions, because a young and an India of the future growing up under some kind of a wrong and absolutely distorted history, we're going to produce citizens who will grow up with a different mindset about what as a country we are. It destroys the ethos of India. I think this is something that Trivedi ji, I'm surprised as a senior politician from the
really
BJP.
surprised.
You are so casual about it. You think it's no big deal. I haven't heard you condemn that. This is a very serious issue. And obviously this has received approbation from the Union HRD Ministry or the Gujarat government.
No, Mr. Trivedi, these questions,
endorsement from the BJP leadership.
You see, Mr. Trivedi, why should a Muslim or a Sikh or a Christian or a Parsi or a Jew have to perform Havan or feed cows or recite the Gayatri Mantra and play songs by Vidya Bharati? This is in the book. You have to wear Swadeshi clothes, perform Havan, recite mantras, feed cows and play songs produced by Vidya Bharati. I mean, you don't even believe in 19(1) of the Indian Constitution, which says I will wear what I like. This RSS view of the world, since when was it smuggled?
Arnab, can you answer? Can you answer if in a convent school if everybody has to go to the chapel?
But this
and
is
go
a government-
every day on a chapel.
This is a
And go
government-
to the church. If that is a different way,
No,
that if the institution is going,
Why
if
is
you
this-
are accepting it, it's
where
okay.
is
Do
this-
not accept it, it's okay.
where is this-
It cannot be one way. That in the case of convent school,
Mr.
the parameter is different.
You know,
and in
this
case of Vidya Bharati, the parameter is different.
But this is the
Give me the
Gujarat
logic.
government. This is not your RSS Shakha. No, please understand.
No, this is not Gujarat management. I'm talking
What are
about
you
so many
imposing?
colleges
Justify-
all over the India,
I
but
thought-
none
I
of
thought
you has
ISP
spoken a
no,
single
what are you
word.
doing now?
Because you
Rahul
are having
Narvekar responding.
double
Rahul
standards for...
Rahul Narvekar, please. Rahul Narvekar is responding.
And let me...
Rahul Narvekar is responding.
One more thing I would like to say.
Rahul Narvekar is responding.
One more thing I would like to say.
No, Sudhanshu
I am
Trivedi, Rahul
responding.
Narvekar is responding.
I am responding.
Arnab, you have asked
A-
Mr.
a
Sudhanshu
convent
Trivedi
school-
more than
a
a dozen
convent
of
school
times
is
as to
not a
why is the
government
Bharatiya
school,
Janata
but the
Party
Gujarat
stooping to such
43,000
levels of
schools are the
polarization.
government schools.
The answer is very simple. The answer is the Bharatiya Janata Party has made tall promises to this nation. They know they failed on every count. They know they cannot fulfill these promises, and the only way they can have a political passage is by creating this divide, is by deflecting the attention to these issues. And therefore, in the last 15 days, we've seen leader after leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party and their allies talking about these issues which will polarize the society.
No, I want to
It is
ask
a clean
Sudhanshu Trivedi
attempt.
about the map.
It is a clear attempt
No, no.
to deflect the attention from the development agenda. And
No. I will not let a BJP spokesperson like Sudhanshu Trivedi get away on this. Mr. Trivedi, I'm sorry, I'm extending this debate. I will not let a BJP spokesperson,
No. Yes.
a representative
Carry
of
on.
the ruling party. I'm sorry, आपको मैं इस मामले पे छोड़ नहीं सकता हूँ. Firstly, Mr. Trivedi, understand this. You are brainwashing children, and you should say I reject that map of the RSS. I want to hear you say I reject that map of the
That's a
RSS.
criminal
It should be immediately pulled out from books that are being sent to government schools. I want to hear you say that. One, they are a distorted view of reality. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka are sovereign countries. Mohan Bhagwat may think they are not, but the country is not ruled by Mohan Bhagwat, it is ruled by Narendra Modi. 1 minute. Akhand Bharat is a concept promoted by the RSS. You want to saffronize Indian education, you want to brainwash children with an RSS-centric view of India. Akhand Bharat speaks of expansionist ambitions. India has no expansionist ambitions. It is a country that respects the sovereignty and independent existence of other states. Right? So your Gujarat state government is openly embracing the views of this RSS man who's totally medieval and outdated. I will not let you off the hook on this one. Can you today, can you justify this? I thought today, at least on this one, you will say this is rubbish. And I want to hear you say, let the RSS be angry with me. But to present a distorted view of reality to students, to young minds, is a crime. Is a crime, Mr. Trivedi.
After your long deliberation, can I have the same amount of time to respond?
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Do you
what
remember?
Sir, do you reject this?
A
Akhand
person has
Bharat
gone
map?
in Supreme Court.
Sir, this.
भाई मुझे बात तो करने दीजिए महाराज. Do you remember in Kerala, one person has gone to the court of saying that from national anthem, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Sindh should be excluded. What was the judgment of Supreme Court?
What?
That though Sindh is not
What are you
geographically
saying?
in India, but
Sir,
it
what
is
are you
a part
saying?
of India as
Sir,
a
what are you
nation
saying?
and a concept.
Sir, ये नहीं
Let
हो
me
सकता.
complete the sentence.
Sir, ये नहीं हो सकता.
So the Sindh is the part of
ये
India,
नहीं
is
हो
not a
सकता.
geographical
Mr.
entity.
Trivedi,
It is a cultural entity.
Mr.
That's why
Trivedi,
when you study the history,
Mr. Trivedi, you got a handsome majority in the parliament, but fortunately you don't have enough majority to amend the basic structure of this constitution.
The Mahabharata, which is in
And
Afghanistan, is the part of
thankfully
Indian
for this
history,
country,
or the Pakistan
thankfully for
history.
this country,
So Supreme
you
Court
do
has
not have
also
the
upheld the
numbers to
view
amend the
that the
basic
country is the
structure
nation,
of the
nation is the
constitution.
cultural entity. It is not the geographical entity which you are trying to put on the concept, Western borrowed concept of the geo-cultural
Mr.
nation
Trivedi
rather than the
needs to read a
political
little more
territorial
about
nation
the
over the
Constitution
geo-cultural
of
nation.
India.
I have
Mr.
just
Trivedi,
quoted
you may be
the
under the-
institution by your logic.
Okay, we take a break.
Should have been taken out of the national
Okay, we
anthem.
take a break.
By your logic,
Okay,
the
we
Sindh
take
should
a
have been
break.
taken out of the national anthem. Is it correct or not?
You want.
I want the answer from you.
You don't have the numbers to amend the constitution, to fracture
what are
this
you-
nation.
Oh, 1 sec. You see, I'll tell you one thing. I am not going to let Sudhanshu Trivedi off the hook on this one. Fine. When you tell children in government, in school books certified by the Gujarat government, that stop blowing
अरे
candles.
भाई सीधा जवाब दीजिए. पंजाब, सिंध, गुजरात, मराठा में सिंध क्यों पढ़ाते हैं? और
सर, आप सीधा जवाब दीजिए. पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश और
तो आप
श्रीलंका.
जवाब दीजिए कि आप सिंध को भारत का पार्ट मानते हैं कि नहीं? नेशनल एंथम गलत है क्या? सीधा जवाब दीजिए यस या नो, जैसे आप पूछते हैं यस या नो, मुझे जवाब दीजिए यस या नो।
That this book is compulsory reading. Arnab, this book is compulsory reading.
Arey, I am talking about the national anthem. I am not talking about any book. You give me categorical yes or no answer. And that too backed by the decision of the Supreme Court.
I'm going to come back to you on this because I believe, I believe in the reality. Mr. Trivedi, एक minute. No, I'm taking a break. Before I take a break, I want to say something to the viewers. Remember one thing, ladies and gentlemen. I am asking the BJP spokesperson on the News Hour tonight which map of India he believes in. The map of India as we have all known, or the map of India of the RSS. When we come back, we will ask Sudhanshu Trivedi which map of India he believes in. We'll take a short break and come back on the other side. The debate continues on the News Hour tonight.